All right, all right, all right. Let's see here. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? How we doing? Okay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to another day of trading. I'm gonna go over a little bit of thing here. Let's get it set up. Bring my brother Mark in here. All right.
All right, all right, all right.
All right. How you doing, brother?
I'm doing great, brother. Good day today. Great day today.
Yeah, I'm glad
And
that.
even just posted in the Discord.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Um, no, I didn't look at Discord yet. I had to get the light in here.
Gotcha.
Feel like I was a little bit light here. I was dark in here. I had to get the circle light out. But what a day today, man.
Yeah,
Day
yeah. I
today.
mean, Sin was happy. It was a great learning process, he says, and awesome to see you in person, Zen and Mark. Thank you, at Mark, for setting up everything. Thank you, Zen, for your time and knowledge. This will go down in history as an unforgettable day.
Oh, it was. It was
Yep,
definitely
absolutely, Sin.
absolutely,
Take
man.
it away.
It was a pleasure meeting you as well, Yasim. I mean, we do it all the time over the Zoom or over the Discord, but it's always a pleasure to have you in the channel and you make the live what it is, and it's always a pleasure to have you there. But
And
um,
tell everybody though, tell everybody for one-on-one purposes where your sin came in just to meet you and get your knowledge.
yeah, he came in from Portugal.
Yep,
Portugal to come
absolutely.
here, visit the United States just to have this one-on-one, man. I'm so blessed to in the present of our members, man, and our subscribers to just be in the present to do that, man, priceless, priceless. So I had to. So, normally I don't do pre-market analysis, but starting 2024, this is the kind of stuff that I'm going to be doing, the opening of the market. And if it comes to it, I could probably do pre-market, but it's not something that I want to do. I want to really hit the opening of the market from 9 to 9:30 and get you acclimated with that part of it. I could say for new traders, it's that part of the market. I wouldn't advise to, if you're a new trader, to jump in the market right at that level, because if you don't know what you're doing, you could blow up your account at that level in just seconds in the market opening. So for new traders, I would say wait till the market smooth out and then let the market calm down a little bit and then set yourself up. Say about 30 minutes in, 20 minutes in. If you desire, you could wait for an hour in. It's all up to you. But for new traders, I would advise don't jump in the market right after the market is open if you don't know what you're doing, because you could blow up your account. That's just my best advice. That's what I've learned, learning what I've learned up until this point, not knowing. So I'm taking the mistake from you and not letting you make that same mistake. Okay. You already know today, it was the day before on the 1st, I post the stock pick of the day at 12 a.m. I don't know how many people saw that, but I did that for a reason, that because I was going to roll into what I was doing today. And not only that, I was going to have that one-on-one, and I wasn't going to be on live today like our normal schedule at 10 a.m. So stock pick of the day was LLYNVO SHELAAPL and SYK. And the first one on the list was LLY. As you could see, this is LLY closed yesterday and just kind of ride the VWAP from closing all the way. Look, all the way. Ride the VWAP yesterday. Not much of anything. You couldn't really trade it from opening. Maybe this one level here, you could have an opportunity here. Boom. That's one here. And then this one here at this level here through it. Other than that, that's all Lily I gave you the day before, previous. Maybe you could get a chance here back through the VWAP because we do VWAP play. And then right here again. But that's about it. 4 times you are able to trade this stock. Anything than that, I wouldn't force anything on Lily yesterday, right? If you look at this chart, I would probably leave it alone if you don't know how to trade this, right? As a experienced trader I am, probably this would be the only one and maybe this one. That's it. And I would have left it alone, okay? Or come down here and take this one through the VWAP because this is a nice VWAP play. Through the VWAP, up, boom, out. And that's it. That play is over. But enough of that. Today, pre-market, as you could see, here again, ladies and gentlemen, I do my pre-market analysis. Okay, this is it here. Prior to me going into the market, prior to the market opening, this is what I sit down and do first. I know where my short is, I know where my long is, and I know where my stop loss is, I know where my target is, okay? Pre-market analysis, okay? So pre-market, I set my short at 547.25 and my long, okay? That's it. Got it. Wait for the market to open. Here we go. Boom. The long, bam, got in, boom. We out, right? That was a trade. After that, you got another trade here to the downside. That's it for the opening. Look, 10:05. I'm done. No need to touch this stock. What happened? Look what it did. Ride sideways. There was no more trade. Maybe right here, this rejection at the VWAP, and that's it. And here's the breakout going into the close. That's it on that trade, right? That's it on Lily today. It didn't give you anything else. So I would not waste time on that. I got the trade from my analysis from pre-market, got into my entry, boom, out, done for the day, okay? Allow me to leave and have a meeting with a sit down, right? Go back to NVO. NVO. Today, right? Look. This green and red line, these are my pre-market, okay? This is my entry here. And again, here it is. 99.13 short and 100.23 long, right? There you go. This is NVEO here, okay? Yesterday closed, pulled down to the VWAP, came here in a channel. This is the high resistance here. Boom, resistant all the way until 4 a.m., right? 4:15 start making some progress here, right? Pop, gapped up, boom, okay? Came back down, right this level here. So you know what? I said, you know what? I watched it. See here, 7 o'clock, 7:45, boom, make a high here, okay? That's high, that's low. So I look for the level before 4 a.m. this morning. Look, this becomes resistance, becomes support now. Boom, here. The high here comes resistant. Boom. The high, low, support. Took it here, 99.13. I would take it short if it ever come back down this level here, and then long. Here you go. Boom. I was out before the market opened. Boom. Pre-market. Took that and done with it. With the right shear size, guys. Boom. 3 candlestick. You're done. Okay. Market open. What did it do? Not much of anything. Came back down to where I got in. Look. That's it. Resistance. High of the day. Went sideways. That's what the market was giving you all day today. Boom. That's it. So you see how important pre-market is? If you could get the stock or you could trade pre-market, you definitely could benefit off the stock. That's not something I always do because I like the excitement of the opening of the stock, the volume. It's a make or break you here, but you got to know how. If I had waited till the opening, I wouldn't have traded NVO at opening. I would have waited for something better. And the better one was at 10.15 to get it through the VWAP because I played a VWAP play. That's one of my play. And that's it. I would have been done with that trade. But because I looked at it pre-market and looked at what was happening, I was able to take it pre-market and take advantage of it right here. All right. Next one, SHEL. All this is all pre-market, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you without that. Okay, this is yesterday, the day before. Look what it did. Ride the VWAP, VWAP resistance, staying below the VWAP. Before closing, got through the VWAP and just ride the VWAP into close. Nothing there. No opportunity. Maybe here. But am I going to waste my time? Really, no. I need bigger movement. I need bigger candlestick. I need bigger setup going up to the top, more volume going up where I could take bigger size. Look, nothing. I wouldn't trade this stock. If this stock had come out, open up like this, I would never touch this stock like that. And if anybody come to in here and say, hey, look at this stock, my best advice, I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it even if you were giving me the money to trade this stock right now. I wouldn't. Okay? Here we go. 4 a.m. Gapped up. But look at the level. Another resistance. Now it's telling me don't want to go above this. So I draw my line, boom, where it gapped up at. That would be my short, right on top of that VWAP there. Okay? Nothing happened. Boom. Opening, boom, on that trade right there. Just quick, bam, on that candle. 1, 2, boom, in, out, done with the trade. Another trade you could get on this stock after it opened, right here. Okay? Look, it just stayed above the VWAP. So if you had got in here, all I had to do was just take 3/4 out into this and just ride it up. Ride it up all day. It stayed above. Never came back down until the market closed. Right? Boom. Okay? Here we are. Here we are. Look at it. The same thing over here. After it closed, look. There you go. So this is something you've seen before. I've seen this before. Okay, I've seen that before. After hours. Same thing. Let's see what does it happen tomorrow. Does it gap up or gap down? We shall see. Okay? And the only way to see what the daily look like. Hey, it's a gap up. Hello, it's a gap up. Boom. Let's see if it continues tomorrow. SHEL. Next one, Apple. And I'm just going over these stuff to show you guys that, you know, I'm always working after the market close, okay? After the market close. Boom. This is today. Okay? Again, there you go. Pre-market. Day before it closed, boom, VWAP. Sit on the VWAP all the way till what? 8 p.m., right? Boom, 405, stayed above the VWAP. VWAP up some more, stayed above it, ride it. At what? 805, pop down, boom. This is the low. Look at it. This is the low. Bam. All right. Support, resistance. So what am I gonna do? This is the second VWAP area here, right? And then pop up. Here you go. Right there. Right on top. Boom. It came down to it. Boom. Resistance. Here you go. Look for a trade. As soon as it break this level, bam, into that. Up here. Target. Bam. Money in the bank. All right. Same thing here as it opened. Same thing. Boom. Target. Money in the bank. Set your stop loss below here. You would never been out with 3/4 out. Bam. There it goes. All right. Never got out. That partial is running until after hours. All right. Apple. Amazing, man. I didn't get into this one until maybe late SYK, because it didn't show me anything more than this here. It stayed there from closing yesterday and just stood there, nothing to, all you had to do is set up for a short or a long, didn't do anything. And then as it opened, bang, look at that. Straight up, you're done with the trade. Forget about it. Let it do what it do. I'm sorry, nothing. Close, look at it. Gap down. Look at this gap down here. Boom. Can't trade that after hours. How do you trade a stock like that? Right? And that's how I set up my trades. My profits before pre-market, before meeting up with Yasin, came in from Portugal. Mark just bring that in for me. And that's what I did before pre-market open, and I post that in the Discord. Okay. And
Go to your profits first.
yeah, that was that. NVEO, right? Lily, Apple, and SHE. Okay. Did that before I leave at 10:30 on the road to meet up with Yasin, right? And then we all hanged out. Mark, thank you. Thank you so much. We're there and we're putting in work, right? Like always,
You're
I'm
welcome.
always putting in work. Right now, I'm putting in work, right? All day, every day, okay? The man, Yasin, came in. It was a pleasure coming in and making it happen today. And I'm sorry that I wasn't live, but we already had spoke about me not being on live because I had a one-on-one. And this is what we do. This is what I do. And this is what we will be doing moving forward. You know, I'm willing to do that with you. Or are you willing to make the time and put the time in? Because at the end of the day, this is a business. I've done the work. Here I am, here to show you that you can do it too, okay? Are you willing to make the sacrifice and invest in yourself, okay? Invest in yourself, okay? All right, enjoy, have a wonderful evening, and see you again tomorrow, all right? Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you, my brother.
Yes, sir.